Hi, I'm Lori Taylor Davis, Global Pro Lead Artist at Smashbox, and I'm going to walk you through a good for your skin makeup application using products for a natural transformation. Let's get started. So the first product we're going to be applying today is our Vitamin Glow Primer. It contains vitamins B, C, and E, so it gets your skin in tip-top condition. I'm going to use 2 pumps, and I'm going to be applying that with my fingertips. I'm going to start in the center of the face, and instantly you'll feel just how hydrating this primer is. It creates a gorgeous natural glow to the skin, and your skin is just going to drink it up. Now next up is our Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. Now this product has SPF 25, so it's perfect with that perfect SPF sun protection factor. You need very, very little of this product, about the size of a pea, to get beautiful coverage. It's a little bit different than most tinted moisturizers on the market, in the sense that the coverage is actually amped up. So it's amped up, glowy, gorgeous, 24-hour coverage. The color that I'm using is medium tan. I really like to take a little bit also and just kind of pat it. If you're gonna build coverage, you're gonna build coverage by patting it right underneath your under eyes. I need a little bit more coverage right through there. So that's it. Now I have perfectly even skin. So next I'm gonna work on my brows, because as you guys can probably see, my brows need a little bit of work. And brows are kind of my thing anyway. I'm gonna be using our Brow Tech To Go in Brunette. And our Brow Tech To Go is fantastic simply because on one side is a pencil to fill, and on the other side is our gel that's gonna hold those brows in place. And I'm gonna start where the brow is the most sparse. And the thing is, you wanna use a feather-like application to fill in those brows. That way it's gonna be the most natural brow application you can get. Always start where the brow is the least full. That way you won't get too heavy of an application. And I always like to say that the brows are sisters, not twins. So you just need to get them kind of in the same area of one another. I think that looks pretty good. I like to wing mine out just a little bit on the ends too, for a little drama. I'm gonna take that gel and I'm gonna actually just brush that up to create a more fuller look. So next I'm gonna be using our Cali Contour Palette. Now our Cali Contour Palette is so fantastic because it has everything you need to warm up the complexion, and you can even apply it on the eyes. I'm gonna be using a little bit of our medium contour shade on my eyelids. And I'm just doing that as a simple wash of color. Nothing that's too defined, just something so that it gives my eyes a little bit of dimension and just a little bit of warmth. The great thing about being able to use this on my eyes and cheeks is everything is in the same color family, so it all just works together. Next, we're gonna apply a little bit on the cheeks as well to just warm up my complexion. So it has your contour shades, it has your highlighter shades, it has everything you need to create a full look and warm up the complexion. I'm using that same warm contour shade just all over. Now it comes in 2 different color families, and I chose the medium dark palette. So I'm going to take a little bit of this kind of golden shade. I'm going to pop that right on the center of the eye, just with my fingers. I don't even really need a brush to apply that. And that's how easy this application is. It's all about kind of creating just that really gorgeous natural warmth for an everyday look. Now next I'm going to be using our Always Sharp Kohl Liner in Raven, and I'm going to be tight lining. And what tight lining means is I'm going to be actually applying the eyeliner to the under rim of the upper lash line. And I love this look because it doesn't look like a very defined liner look, but it does do so much for an eye application. I'm going to need to use my mirror for my Cali contour. And you just kind of get that eyeliner in. Now because these kohl liners are so soft, they really just glide on the eye. And one very special thing is that when you actually recap the eyeliner, you get a sharp point for each application. Now that we've got our liner on, we got a little bit of shadow, let's move on to mascara. I'm going to be using our full exposure mascara. And I love this particular mascara because it's all about that thick, thick brush. You can get right into the base of your lashes and just pull it on through. This is the blackest, richest formula of mascara, and look what it does for those lashes. I always feel like mascara is the one thing that really ties in an eye look. One of my favorite tricks is to actually take the brush and just add an extra coat on the outer corners of each eye for a more winged out look. Now what I like to do is right before I apply any type of lip product, I want to look at my complexion and think, do I need to add anything else? So I'm going to go back to my Cali contour kit and I'm going to really kind of bump up that eye a little bit more, but not too much. Remember, this is a natural application. I might take a little bit of that gold shade and just put it right in the corner of my eye. Right there. Really fantastic. And then I think we're okay to move on to lips. All right, so for my lip application, I'm actually going to be using one of our always on liquid lips. Now I love this liquid lip simply because it does give you that matte kind of coverage to the lips. But the great thing is it never budges, it stays in place, and it's never drying. The color that I'm going to be using is Lip Goals because I need lip goals. I love the applicator as well because it really just helps to coat the lips, and you don't even really need any type of lip liner. So there you have it. It's all about natural transformation. I love all the tones that we've used. They're very warm, they're very natural. It's a very easy application. You could duplicate this yourself, and I hope you have fun with it.